Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to change the leverage right here on TickMill. And if you want to change the leverage, we go right here left in the top and search right here for trading accounts. We can't see anything. And if you go right here to the other settings, we can change the leverage. So there's one way how we can do this, and that is in the beginning when you're creating your account. Because right now, if you go right here to tickmill.com, there it is, and we select right here, try a demo account, you need to select right here the platform, so MT5 or MT4. Now I want to do MT5. Then right here, fill in your account type, so classic, retail, and then right here you can decide your leverage. So this is the place where you need to fill in the leverage that you want to use, then do open demo account, and then you can use that leverage. So this means that if you want to change your leverage right here, you need to create a new demo account and then you can use that new leverage. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.